Welcome back. Now it's time to go into our Firefox node VM and to put Docker in there. So these are the same set of instructions that we've used to put Docker into the first two VMs. I will copy and paste them into the description of this video so that you can just copy and paste them and place them in the Bastion. So first thing we'll need to do is to connect via Bastion. So we go to the VM overview page. So this is Selenium Grid Firefox VM, and connect via Bastion. Okay, now this will require our username and password that we programmed in earlier, and hit connect. And now we're inside the VM. I'll clear the screen, give us some more room. Okay, now I will copy and paste in the commands, and as I said, they will be in the description of the video. I will pause until they're fully executed. Great, that worked perfectly. So the final thing to do is to register the node with the hub. And we're registering the node, our host here, as 10.0.2.4, which is the private IP address of the Firefox node. And it's registering with the private IP address of the node hub, of the Selenium Grid hub. And you've got your pub and sub ports there. And we're connecting on port 5555. So I'll copy and paste those once again into the description of the video, and I'll just run those now. Okay, while those are being pulled down, I will pause the video. So that was executed successfully. So what we need to do now is go to the Selenium Grid hub. So I'll click on virtual machines, and here's our Selenium Grid hub. Once again, we need to go in through Bastion and put in the username and password as we normally do, and connect. Okay, I'll clear my screen so we have some more room. Okay, we now place in our curl command to look at localhost status on 4444. I will copy paste this in the description as well. So we should have two nodes registered now. Okay, so let's have a look here. Here's the second node that we just registered, the Firefox node, 10.0.2.4. Yep, AMD 64, Linux, Azure. Okay, this is correct node, and we should now also have 10.0. Sorry, we already had this 10.0.0.5 coming through on port 5555. So we've connected both of the nodes successfully. Our next part of this process will be to look at the Selenium code and to use remote WebDriver to connect and trigger a Chrome session and connect and trigger a Firefox session. I'll see you in the next video.